What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do a quick little video. FabFitFun unboxing! So I'm very excited that I got this box. I just received it today. So I figured why not film, and now I'm gonna open it and go through all the products with you guys. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my FabFitFun box, then just keep on watching. So if you guys aren't familiar with FabFitFun, it is a seasonal subscription box. So you pay about $49 each season, spring, winter, summer, and fall box. And every season you get $200 worth of full-size products, which I think is amazing, and it's like such a good value for all that you get. So mine just came in today, and mine's a little different because the summer box just went out at the beginning of this month, I believe. So since I was a little late to the game for this season's box, I actually got the editor's box. So the editor's box is basically if you were like me and you order it when it's out of season or after the seasonal boxes went out to everyone, then you'll receive the editor's box and you get to pick some of the things that are in your box, and then they'll put in other products that they'll select for you. Let's get into it. The box is real cute. It says FabFitFun with this little card, a note from FabFitFun, and then right here it actually lists all the products that are in the box and the prices. It also comes with this really cute magazine, and this comes with all the boxes. And so the first item that is in my box I see is this makeup bag. It is this makeup bag right here, and it looks super cute. I love the blue color and I love the floral print, and it has a pocket, this zipper, and then it also has stuff in here for like toiletries or makeup or whatever. So this actually came at the perfect time for me personally, because I will be going to Europe in less than a week and a half. So I'm very excited so I could take that traveling and just keep everything organized in my bag. So came at the perfect time. This retails for $58. That is insane. So just with this bag alone, you have the box is already paid for itself. The box is $49, as I mentioned before. So even just this case, it paid for itself. The next product I see here is the Sponge Gel Papaya Yuzu, and it's Beyond Cleansing, and it is just a body wash infused buffer. Oh, it smells amazing. And it is still in the package. I don't want to open it just yet, but it just looks like a loofah almost. Yes, there's body wash infused in it, so that's really cool. And this retails for $16. Next thing I have in this box is by Ahava, the brand Ahava, and it is a special size mineral hand cream. I personally always have dry, crusty hands. It's a problem I have, especially during the winter, but also in the summer as well. So I'm always looking for a good hand cream, and it says there's water, Dead Sea water. This retails for $33. So these are some expensive products, guys, and they give you a giant size, like it's the size of my head. The next thing I see on my box is by the brand Wish. It is a cleanser for face and body. Is rice milk plus rose cream cleanser. Luxurious cleanser that removes dirt and impurities while moisturizing and softening the skin. This blend of natural ingredients will leave your skin feeling clean and without harsh chemicals. This retails for $24. I'm always looking for more body cleansers, and for my face, I might use it for my face, but I actually just introduced a new face wash this week from Ole Henriksen, so I'm gonna wait and see how my skin reacts with that, and maybe I'll try this out, but for now, it'll be a good body wash. Maybe I'll take it to Europe. Next thing we have in here is the Tula Probiotic Skincare, and it says it is skin reviving treatment pads for baby smooth skin. This is what the packaging looks like. So it comes with, looks like 4 pads, and it says it polishes and exfoliates for smoother, brighter skin. So that's really exciting. Again, I love receiving skincare products. And this retails for $26. And it's supposed to reveal brighter, visibly smoother skin after just one use. So I'm really excited to use this. Maybe again, I'll take it to Europe. Since I'm traveling, my skin will feel a little weird, maybe a little dehydrated. So your skin, I feel like, always gets weird when you travel. So maybe I'll bring one of these and test it out. I'm very excited about this. It is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizing Primer. I've heard nothing but great reviews on this all over YouTube. I think the first person I heard talk about this was Kathleen Light, and anything she recommends I die to try. So I'm so excited for this, and it says it's for all skin types. With things that are more luminizing, I get kind of concerned just because I am more oily. I'm kind of combination, but since it's getting hotter, obviously my skin's gonna get a lot more oily. So luminizing kind of scares me, but I also still like having that glow, and I don't like having my face look dry or cakey. So I still am very excited about this. I really hope that it fills in my pores, and if this can actually help with my skin texture over time, that would be amazing, because it's got a little bit of texture, a little bit of acne scarring. So if this can help with that, that'll be awesome. And this retails for $38. A $38 primer, that's crazy. So literally this box is already paid for itself. Thing I'm actually excited about. So I've never used any like sleeping masks or anything like that, but we got this little cute one, and I believe it's from Free People. Look at those little stars. And it's very squishy. So it has a cooling insert inside, so put it in the fridge and then just put it over your eyes while you sleep, and that's really gonna help to depuff and really keep your eyes looking plump and, you know, not nasty and crusty. So I'm actually very excited to use this, especially on the plane. So when I travel to Europe, it's gonna be a 12-hour flight, longest flight I've ever been on so far. So hopefully I can sleep on the plane. And yeah, I think it's really gonna help me sleep, and hopefully it'll be like the best experience ever, and I'll put her in the fridge and see. And the final item in my bag is this, and it's from Trina Turk, and it is actually a Turkish towel, and this looks honestly beautiful. Like, do you see this? Like the pattern, like this totally reminds me of summer and just like beachy vibes. So, and it looks so cute, and it's a pretty decent size. Like it's pretty big, so it's like enough for you to sit down and like on the beach. I don't know if I can lay out on this, but it is enough to sit down, maybe go to the park or the beach and have a cute little picnic. So it's so cute. And that retails for, oh my god, this Turkish towel retails for $78, guys. $78, like that's insane. So in total, all of our products cost a whopping $313. That is insane. So guys, we just paid $49 for basically $300 worth of product. That's insane. And it is always said to give you at least $200 worth of product, so they went $113 over their mark. So that is so crazy. And I love how the box also comes with this, so it's like 10% off-ish, which is their actual beauty brand. Also included, and this I'm actually kind of excited about, and this is $50 off HelloFresh. So that's super cool. And if you don't know about HelloFresh, it's basically a food/grocery subscription, and you get it, I believe you can do it on like a weekly basis, so 2 to 3 times a week, and you pick out meals online, and then they will actually send you the ingredients to your house and everything, and all the meals take like 30 minutes to make, and they're all pretty healthy for you. My mom uses HelloFresh, the Juicy Lucy burger. So good. I might actually use it with my boyfriend. Maybe I'll have it sent to his house, and we'll maybe cook together, since I'm trying to get more into cooking and learn how to cook. So it's like the perfect intro way, and you'll for sure be getting healthy ingredients. So I'm actually really excited about this. I'm obsessed. I love this box. I love how you get so much bang for your buck with the items they put in here. I love how FabFitFun gives you a variety of items. So you're getting beauty, lifestyle, fitness, self-care, you're getting it all, which is really, really cool. They added items I may not even choose for myself. Like personally, I would not spend $78 on a towel. I would not. I personally would never do that. I probably wouldn't buy a sleeping mask ever. So like, this is 2 items I would never buy for myself, but I'm very happy and excited to have. So I think the box is really cool for that. It really expands your range of products, and it just kind of gives you a chance to try new things without making a huge dent in the bank. That is it for this FabFitFun unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you guys are subscribed to FabFitFun. Did you get the editor's box, the summer box? Are you excited for the fall box? I know I am. So let me know what you guys got in your FabFitFun box. I would love to know. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys.